Uncle Mark with you again, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thumbs up to you. If you're a regular subscriber, I don't want to give you 2 thumbs up because I don't want you to be, feel too special. I'm putting together an office chair for a buddy of mine. He didn't have time to do it. He says, I'll put it together. I'll do a quick video just to show you how easy it is. Show him how easy it is. Or maybe it'll be difficult and he'll feel sorry for me and buy me a coffee. Follow along as we do it. In case you're thinking of buying one of these things, usually they come in a box, as this one did. Shouldn't be too long, and hopefully nobody gets hurt in the process. Maybe up there. Cut towards your buddy, not your body, right? Just about made the first mistake. Let's cut this baby open. Feels like there's something in there. Looks like there's stuff in there. Feels like something. Bunch of wheels. Wheels are always good because it's a rolling chair. What's we got in there? Looks like a foot ring. That's the bottom piece. What else we got? The tickle trunk. Guess the first thing we should do, check out the instructions. Yeah, it looks pretty straightforward, huh? There's 4 of those. We don't have the long ones because they're for the arms. Looks like, put the bottom piece in first, put the little things in there. Oh yeah, shows you step by step. Put the back together, screws and all that. Then the seat bottom, and the back mounting to that. Then sit the whole seat down on the other parts. Don't lean back because you might fall. Don't be over 250 pounds. I guess don't sit somebody in your lap. And just put all the bolts in loosely first and then tighten them up once they're all in there. I'm going to mess up on that. So I guess let's get started. No time like the present. Looks like this is going to be the first thing, so let's flip that around. It's saying put those babies in. Well, let's see what they're asking. I think these just should click in. It doesn't want to come out. Alright. Well, it looks like that works. Look at the next part. Looks like there's a piece that goes in here. And then there's this number 3 little thing. Let's find out where that is. They don't tell us where it is. This must be this top part, but is the other part in there too? Who knows? Take a quick look and see. Well, oh, no, I don't think it's in here. Nope. Well, I'm thinking maybe it's in this box here. I hear something banging around. I see part of it. I'm just gonna cut this baby open here. Careful not to cut anything else. Yeah, that's what's in here. Part we're looking for, and the ring. Okay. If you look at the box, shows you what we're supposed to do. Looks like it fits either way. Looks like this goes down in here. Then the ship steering wheel, it looks like, goes on top, and I imagine these rivets go down. Put that on top there. Oh, that's it? Would have thought it would have gone. Alright, whatever. This part must go on top. Which way? Has to go this way. Okay, look at the bottom of the box. There's a little picture there of the foot ring and all the pieces. We've done the bottom, we've done that C piece, we put the little steering wheel on the bottom there, and that hydraulic part there. Now, let's make sure it's all together properly. Looks good so far. Okay. Well, I guess we're going to work on, the seat back. It already came together like that. So let's put it together. According to the instructions, it goes with this side out to, I guess, the left. And I believe we're screwing that into there. Well, let's see how this looks like exactly. I think this goes like that. Good in. Seems to make sense to me. Okay. Next part. Go down to here. Bottom of the seat. It's going on with a bunch of screws. Just put it on the right way. I think there's a front. And screws in the bottom. Come on. Like how that's not coming off very easily. And why doesn't it say taken for granted this is the front here, but it doesn't say, and it's just the angle of it. Looks like there's more room for the old le bum back there. So it's going to go like this then. Oh yeah, that makes sense. More room up here than there is back here where the screw holes are. It's going to go on like that. Where are the screws? Must be this little bag of stuff. Look like big Phillips. Wow, they don't make this easy to get into. Childproof. Looks like they got a little bit of Loctite on them. Try not to lose them. Big Phillips. Of course, no tools included. Will be a two-person job. Sure, once you get one of these in there, the rest will come together. Of course, I'm trying to film it too, so maybe you wouldn't sit it the way I'm sitting it. Unless you want to record your putting your first chair together. Nothing wrong with that. Been a while since I did one of these. Actually, I don't know if I mentioned you. This is for my boss, actually. So, you know, either put it together really good, or I guess if you didn't like your boss, put it together really bad. You want not to make it too tight, any of them, to just so it can move around a little bit. That's better. And then we'll do this last one here, and we'll tighten them all up. Okay, so far so good. Now it looks like some of them actually had arms. This one doesn't. Always you put the arms in there, and it's got the holes for them. If you look, bottom in here, or on that side, but it came armless. Let's roll it there. Cup thing goes on top. Makes it look a little better when it goes up and down, I guess. And I think the chair, just that piece goes in there. Doesn't get any simpler than that. Okay. And now, and that's basically together. Should be low as it goes, maybe it goes higher. Oh, it goes higher because it's like a bar stool kind of thing. All right, that makes sense. All right, cool. Then of course we'll take the boxes and recycle them. I guess probably right into the old recycling bin. Well, that's going to do it for our video. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned something about putting the chair together. It's not hard. Depends on the skill level you are, I guess, as to putting stuff together. Some will find this real easy. Some will say this is, the hardest thing they've put together. What you can do is subscribe if you like the video. There's other things I end up fixing, some a lot harder. Plus I do some easy stuff. We just snoop around, look for old cars here and there. You can give me the thumbs up. I'll put some descriptions in the link for some other things I fixed around the house, which this will be in that playlist. You can go to my playlist on my channel too, all sorts of different things. I've put them into good playlists that are very specific, like an old car playlist. Worked on an Impala, so I've got an Impala playlist. What else we got in there? We've got a Dodge Caravan, we've done a whole bunch of stuff too, plus other ways. You'll take a look, snoop around there. I appreciate it, and hopefully you learned something. Take care for now. We're doing okay here. Until next time, you and your family stay safe.
Be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Testing 1, 2, 3. It'll be higher. You are kidding me. Oh, goodness sake. I am not happy with that at all.
Testing 1, 2, 3. And hopefully, you know, the arms end up being in the right place and I'm sitting on the seat instead of the back and, you know, the wheels go forward. Hopefully it's going to be enjoyable. We're glad you're